everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to continue on with my favorite summer foundations. So coming in at number 2, and again I don't really have these ranked, it's going to be more about what you're looking for in a foundation, but the most worn little summer foundation that I have, which is fantastic for travel, is this Cle De Peau Radiant Cream to Powder Foundation. You guys, I did some travel in May. I went to New York City, which is very humid, and then I went home to Des Moines where the weather was like in the 80s already. And I have to tell you, this was the foundation that I took with me. It is a cream foundation, which I love. I love cream foundations for the ease of just slipping it on, buffing it into my skin, and running out the door. This has a major dent in it because I love this. I have been wearing this nonstop, and I'm going to be honest, this is considered a matte foundation, so I wasn't even going to purchase this, but I'm so glad I did because I would consider this a soft matte. It is not going to give you, that flat matte that you might be expecting. When it says it is a radiant foundation, it really does. I'm wearing it right now, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about this while I'm trying it on. So if you want to learn more about this guy, as well as I am shopping my stash, and I am doing a really quick and easy summer look with a few favorites, including that beautiful RMS blush in Lost Angel, which was a request from some of you who wanted me to use that independently. This is what I've got on my cheeks. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is pretty much a summer must-have. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, learn more about the Cle De Peau foundation, then let's go ahead and get started. You guys, this is a fantastic foundation, and it is fantastic for travel. So it is a radiant cream to powder foundation. It has got my favorite hyaluronic acid that's going to plump up your skin and keep it hydrated, as well as its proprietary illuminating complex that is going to give you a little bit of that radiant glow. This guy is the cream to powder, and I was a little bit worried about that for my dry skin, but I have found that this guy has been perfect. It is very long wearing. It's one of these easy kind of foundations that you can just buff on your skin in like a minute flat, get a really nice coverage. This is a medium coverage foundation. If you wanted to sheer it out, you could use your beauty blender damp sponge and put it on that way. I tend to like to use it with my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Complexion brush. I just dip it right into the cream just like that and then buff it on my skin. You guys, it is so awesome. And again, the reason I also love this is because it transforms into a powder foundation. So this is one-stop shop for someone who's not a big powder girl, and that's not something I'm gonna want to travel with. I can just use this. It goes on like a cream, and then it dries down and has a little powdery finish, but that's the key. If you have dry skin, you may be worried about it, but you guys, I haven't had any issues, and I'm 50. I definitely have more dry skin, and this would be something I would call more of a soft matte, but that it does impart a nice little glow to your skin. It is broad spectrum SPF 24. That being said, you guys, I always think about foundations with SPF as a bonus layer of protection. I still always use my Glow Beauty Solar Shade SPF 50. That is my go-to sunscreen that I use, and I'm always going to have that on as my base, and then anything extra is just going to be that's going to be extra. I really do feel like the amount you would have to use in order to get a full 24 probably is a lot. So I really do recommend that you wear your actual sun SPF as part of your skincare routine versus finding it in your makeup. So the cons is that this shade range, it isn't great, you guys. This is Cle De Peau. It has 12 different shades in there, starting with, I believe the lightest is very light ivory, and then the deepest is going to be very deep ochre, and that's gonna be 060. So again, shade range is not fantastic. And the price, of course, is another con. It is $98, classic Cle De Peau, expensive. It does have skincare benefits in it. It does have SPF. I think for me, it is the ease, and I love the finish of it. This is fantastic if you are in a more humid climate. I live in the Pacific Northwest, so I don't get that kind of humidity. We definitely have some warm days, but I really love this when I was in New York City, which is very, I consider that super humid compared to what I live in. And I would highly recommend that for anybody who is in a warmer, more humid climate. This is fantastic. And bam, that is how easy this foundation is. You just buff it into the skin. It just feels like it gives you a nice little layer of coverage. And this one wears really well. This one is going to stay put. It is going to let your skin shine through by the end of the day. And I just think it's just like this quick and easy foundation. I love it. And this has been an A+ in my book. Okay, we are quickly going to put on the rest of my face. I'm gonna show you another quick and easy summer eye. I am gonna use my favorite. You guys, I'm in love with this. If you haven't, this color, I know it doesn't look exactly like anything in the pan, but it is like my perfect bronzer. So I'm gonna be using this again because I love it, and then we'll do a quick, easy eye for you. Guys, this is the Lost Angel. It is so pretty. I love these blushes. This color is just screaming summer. These look beautiful on the skin. So somebody had asked if I would use this just independently. This is the one I've been using the most. It is just such a pretty, soft blush. Can you see that, you guys? It has some glowing properties in it. It is so pretty. Okay, guys, we have got this kind of fresh complexion with that beautiful Lost Angel blush. And now I'm gonna do one of my quick and easy eyes. That is kind of was my go-to forever. And I'm gonna be using the Tom Ford Golden Peach. You guys, this was like basically my neutral eye, easiest ever, and we're gonna pair it with a couple fun eyeliners. So what I like to do, and I have my very well-loved well of this, I'm gonna use, again, that Anastasia brush that comes in the one of the palettes, and I just put a little bit of this product on my brush. I'm gonna come up here. And you guys, I just love this color. I mean, I have loved this for years. This is a repeat purchase, and it is perfect for summer. The easy, pretty, fresh eye. Then what I wanna do real quick is I like to take my bronzer, whatever bronzer I'm using, take a little bit of that, and I like to deepen in the crease area. This is like 2-minute eyeball. Just deepening in the crease and a little bit on the outer V. I'm going to take the other smudger end. I'm going to go back into my Golden Peach. I'm going to run that a little bit down for a fresh look underneath my eyes. You can go back through with a little bit more peach if you would like. Just on the lid, giving just a really pretty wash of color. You guys, oh, so pretty. I don't even use the topper generally. We'll use it today, but this is like my go-to eye right here. We're gonna now use 2 different eyeliners from Chanel. And I'm gonna use Cassis, which is sort of a deep aubergine color near my lash line on the top, and then my favorite chalk purple underneath, which is just a little bit softer because I want to make this sort of a fresh and clean eye look.
Getting it as close to my lash line as possible.
Okay, you guys, I've kind of defined that upper eye, and now I'm going to take my absolute favorite chalk purple, and I'm going to put that down underneath, and I think we'll do a little bit on, whoa, a little bit on top. I find the chalk purple just isn't quite as harsh underneath the eyes. It's so pretty, you guys. I love this eyeliner. Then we're gonna go up here and we're gonna line on the top. That is such a pretty, just like that. I think the chalk purple and the peach make a really pretty combination. I'm gonna smudge everything out. Okay guys, I'm gonna close my eyes. Just really easy eye that took 2 minutes. I'm gonna go put on some loads of mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, eyes are on. Quick and easy eye. I just love that combo. Let's put a little highlighter on. I'm gonna use my RMS Living Luminizer. To be honest, using that blush, I don't even really feel like I need it because that blush has that really pretty glow in it. I'll put just a little bit on, but you guys, still love this guy. Such a pretty color. It's just gonna make your skin look really healthy and very natural in the summer. So I'm just gonna put it at the high parts of my cheek, just a little bit. And then we'll do a quick little lip. And this really melts into the skin, you guys. This again is just one of those, every time I wear it, I just feel like this is where I always get a little compliment on my skin. It's makeup. I'm gonna put a tad just up on the bridge here. It was funny, you guys. I had spritzed my face with that MAC spritzer yesterday, and it got a little bit on my eyelashes, and then I met with a client and I totally had mascara all up over my eyes. She didn't say anything. When I left, I went to the bathroom and I looked, I was like, oh my gosh, I have mascara all over my eyes. A little embarrassing. Okay, favorite little summer lip combo, you guys. I really love, I pulled out a couple of my Dior favorites. That is the Lip Glow, what are these? The Color Reviver Balm. And then I love the Lip Maximizer. For someone with small lips, this is like my go-to. I love this as a gloss. It definitely has a little bit of plumping action in it. I thought I'd pull these out and use this as I am shopping my stash. And I'm just gonna put this guy on first. I love, the balm's really good. We have, my daughter and I both like these, so we have got a couple different colors. I think, to be honest, I just really like the original. Actually, I wanna get that berry one. These are just easy to put in your purse, very moisturizing on the lips. So it's just gonna kind of get your kind of lip color, but a little bit better. This one's a little bit pink. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this maximizer on as well. That you could do one or the other. You don't have to do both, whatever your favorite balm, lip gloss, whatever. I am just pulling out a few of my favorite combos, shopping my stash a little bit. Okay, We have completed a quick and easy look. This is the foundation. I'm gonna come up a little bit closer so you guys can see. This is just an easy, and I am in shade WB20. I probably could have gone a little bit with the 030 is what I was thinking. It was a little yellow for me, but this is WB20. Such an easy foundation. It is the Radiant Cream to Powder. Thus, I don't really powder because it does kind of finish down on your skin. You guys, this one wears super well throughout the day. It's gonna stay through, but your skin is gonna take on just a little bit of its natural oils, and you're gonna get a little bit of that radiant glow. So that is coming in as number 2, nonstop. I've been using this little compact. I love it, and it is fantastic for travel and more humid climates. So keep that in mind if you are looking for a foundation that is easy for the summer. I hope this was helpful, and again, I'm gonna be back with my next summer favorite foundation and another quick and easy look. I hope you guys are finding these helpful, and I hope you have a fantastic day.